Cleaning instructions for the Ceado ES700 and ES900 centrifugal juicers. Before cleaning commences, please ensure that the juicer is disconnected from the mains electricity supply. To clean the juicer, first lift up the locking handle and pull forward. This actually prevents the juicer working at all and allows the lid to be lifted off the juicer. The two plungers will need to be cleaned in a sink using the M1 cleaning detergent solution followed by the M2 sanitizing liquid. Inside the lid you will find quite a lot of the pulp which has been ejected out of the back of the juicer. This will need to be removed before again cleaning in the sink using the M1 cleaning detergent and the M2 sanitizing solution. The pulp bucket at the back of the juicer, we recommend to put a bag inside to collect all the dry pulp ejected by the juicer, thus making it easy to lift out the bag and put it in the bin, which maintains the cleanliness of the bucket and makes it very easy for the operator. However, once out, the bucket will need washing in a sink, again with the M1 cleaning detergent followed by M2 sanitizing solution. The bowl and the blades and the basket can be lifted off the machine simply like that. It's held on by a magnet, and inside here you will find the juicing basket, which is a mesh and blades. This will need to be cleaned in the sink with the M1 cleaning solution. Please be very careful with this. Not only does it have sharp blades at the bottom, but this mesh, which allows the juice through and no pulp through into the juice, needs to be cleaned of the build-up of pulp very carefully with the brush provided to make sure all the pulp comes out of the very fine holes on the mesh. The same for the inside and the outside of the basket applies. Please also ensure that any pulp or residue is cleaned from the base of the basket. Once all the pulp has been removed, the basket, the blades and the bowl can all be cleaned in a sink using the M1 whole chem cleaning detergent and then the M2 sanitizer. Please allow them to dry before replacing them on the machine. The machine itself also needs to be wiped down with the sanitizing solution, and also the drive shaft in the middle needs to be clear of any foreign bodies such as dried juice or pulp. Once everything is dry, please replace the juicing bowl, followed by the dry juicing basket, which should click into place. It's held into place by a magnet, and that ensures that the juicing basket operates on a centrifugal line. Replace the lid and the locking mechanism. Once the lid and the locking mechanism are in place, replace the pulp bin. With the ES700 model, place a bag in the pulp bin to catch all the pulp. With the ES900 model, there's actually a hole in the table where all the pulp goes through into a big collection bin underneath, allowing for high volume juicing. Once the pushers are clean and dry, replace them into the juicer.